Give us the fare increase. It's long overdue. That's the message from the St. James Taxi Association this evening as the country braces for further increases in petrol prices. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Persons are just waiting in a kind of panic mode to say, I wonder what the price is going to be and how it's going to affect my overhead.
The mood of members of the St. James Taxi Association as they brace for another big hike in fuel prices. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz announced on Wednesday that over the past 4 weeks, transport fuel prices went up by about $49.20 per litre. However, only $18 per litre was passed on to consumers. Petrojam has therefore absorbed $11.8 billion in losses over the period. Now that the full increase will be passed on, transport operators want their fare increase. They have been patiently waiting for the promised 16% fare hike.
It is an amount that was already awarded based on the cost at that time. I think it's over 2 years going, 2.5 years now. And things have moved since. So the remainder of the award is timely and is overdue in my estimation. And I think that with the recent proclamation now that the pricing committee of Petrojam has said to remove the subsidy or whatever it is that they call it. It is high time now that becomes a reality. At least it will be a cushion. It will definitely be a cushion to what is expected to happen.
Dion Chance also weighed in on the suggestions to have COVID-type restrictions to conserve fuel.
Well, any fall off in ridership is going to affect the bottom line of each and every operator out there. And just to say that to use COVID restrictions, I don't think that will totally address the issue, because the problem is higher cost. So whether it is that somebody has COVID type of work from home policies, you still will have the children going to school. You still will have those who have to go in, who like in the productive sector, that will be traveling and they will face whatever brunt there is.
For now, Jamaicans are waiting to see what the fuel prices will look like next Wednesday as the war in the Middle East continues. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.